Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Tessa. If you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, come back. So guys, it's another day. So hey, winter laundry guys. I washed this blanket yesterday and you just put this one over here. Let me show you. I'm in the process of washing this one. Process of washing this one. So yeah, we are washing that one and we are also doing laundry. I'm just left with that. Yeah, this fish I also washed it yesterday, and today I washed the bigger one that's always on my bed. I took out like the pillowcases, and so yeah, I was just in bed. Never mind the disorder on my side table over there. Food. It's just it's because I didn't wanna like go up to the kitchen to get snacks. So it's been like 2 days, and now the blanket is like dried, and I did laundry again, so we're just gonna take that down. guys, this is hubby's side of the closet. I have finished ironing. We each have two doors, I mean. So those are my two doors. These are hubby's two doors. And I try to keep his clothes very organized. So there's like his jackets over here. His jackets. Some of his hoodies. Yeah. And then when the jackets end, there's the white tees. And then the black tees. And then there's a gray one. It's the only gray one. And then there's the pink ones. And then there's his morning gown. And then his shoes, the slides, and then the, what do you call them? Sneakers. The ones that some of his shoes that he's actually wearing stay over here. And then on this shelf we have like his track bottoms, and then we have his jeans, and then this is like where his deos and stuff stay. So yeah, that's hubby's side of the closet. Mine is kind of messy right now. I won't show you. Yeah, definitely messy, guys. Look at this. My side of the closet needs some attention, so I think I'm gonna deal with it tomorrow. You see this? I've just been piling things. Like, I've just been, yeah. Let's close that.
Andakakuona ndaitona ndabisa lobola uriwe muora izwi rangu ropfa rashoshoma shoshoma muviri wangu wodedera, yeah. Mashoko angu ndokakama ukandisekerera, iwe ukandinyemwerera, Huya.
Okay, so we're done. We are done. And now the closet looks like a closet. And Daddy's closet, I just tidied up because you know how guys can be. They just,